So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can convert your gallery photos or pictures into PDF. So friends, for this first of all open the Play Store or App Store of your phone, and friends here search image to PDF converter, and so many application will be or available. So you can use any application which you want. For example, I will choose this application, and friends then open the application guys, and friends here then tap on plus option. So simply tap on plus option friends, and here select the images which you want to convert as a PDF. Then tap on add for option, and then tap on convert to PDF option. Or in this page friends, if you want to make some changes in the name of your PDF, you can do. Or friends, if you want to compress your images quality, you can compress also guys, and then tap on convert to PDF option. So friends, as you tap, your PDF will be ready. So here you can share your PDF, and friends, if you want to open your PDF, you can also open. Then select open with friends, and here you can also download your PDF by tapping on right side three dot option and tap on download option. So friends, by following these steps, you can also convert your gallery photo into a PDF file.